Welcome back, students. Our today's lesson is about the solution of some exam-based question from the functions topic. We have completely learned this topic in previous two lessons. Let us solve a few questions as they appear in our exams. In the first question, we are given f of x, which is 6 minus x over 2, and we have to find the value of f of 5. f of 5. f of x is equal to 6 minus x over 2. What will be f of 5? This will be 6 minus 5 over 2. By simplification, we will get 7 over 2. Six minus 5 over 2, 7 over 2. Second part is about finding its inverse. F of x is equal to 6 minus x over 2. First step was we will replace f of x by y. In the second step, we will solve this for x. This 2 will be multiplied with this. So x is equal to 12 minus 2y. In the third step, we will replace x by f inverse of y. And in the last step, we replace y by x. So this is f inverse of x. It completes our question. Next question. Again, we are given a function and we have to find its value and its inverse. F of x is equal to 3 plus x over 2. So f of minus 3 will be equal to 3 plus x will be replaced by minus 2. This will be 0 over 2, which is 0. So f of minus 3 is 0. This is first part. For the second part, again we write f of x is equal to 3 plus x over 2. What was the first step? Replace f of x by y. And then second step, solve this equation for x. Third step, replace x by f inverse of y. And fourth and final step, replace y by x. So this is f inverse of x. This was f of x and these are inverse of each other. We are done. Next question. A bit different. We are given f of x and we have to find, first part is similar, f of x is equal to 2 plus 3x over 5 and f of minus 3 we have to find. This will give 3 into minus 3 plus 5. This will be 2 minus 9 over 5 minus 7 over 5. In the second question, the value of g we have to find such that f of g is 7. f of g is 7. f of g is 7. What is f of x? f of x is equal to 2 plus 3x over 5. What will be f of g? This will be 2 plus 3x over 5. 3g, sorry, which is given as 7. From here, I will find value of g. 2 plus 3g is equal to 35. 3g is equal to 33. G is equal to 11. Straightforward question it was. Again, we are given a function, we have to find its inverse. f of x is equal to 2x plus 7 over 3. We have to find its inverse. First step, y is equal to 2x plus 7 by 3. Second step, y is basically f inverse. From here we will find actually value of x. We will simplify this equation to find x. I am rapidly performing some basic arithmetics to find value of x. This is our second step. In third step, I will replace x by f inverse of y, and in the fourth step, I will replace y by x. So we have found f inverse of x. So in the second part, we have to use this equation to find the value of m. F of m is equal to m over 2. F of m is equal to m over 2. Okay, this is f of x. What will be f of m? What will be it? It will be 2m plus 7 over 2, which implies 2m plus 7 is equal to m, which implies 2m minus m is equal to minus 7, which implies m is equal to minus 7. So this was, it was basically 3 over here. So accordingly, we will have to solve it. 2m plus 7 over 3 is equal to m over 2. 4m plus 28 is equal to 3m. 4m minus 3m is equal to minus 28. M is equal to minus 28. Little mistake on my behalf. Next question. F of x is given and we have to find the value of k in f of x. F of x is 3x minus k over 4. We are given f of 11 is equal to 7. What will be f of 11? 3 into 11 minus k over 4, which is given equal to 7. Now we will just simplify this. 33 minus k is equal to 28. K is equal to 5. In the second question, we have to find the inverse of f of x. F of x is equal to 3x minus k is 5. So 5 over 4. Y is equal to 3x minus 5 over 4. From here we will solve this for x. 4y is equal to 3x minus 5. 3x is equal to 4y plus 5. X is equal to 4 over 3y plus 5 over 3. F inverse of y is equal to 4 over 3y plus 5 by 3, and F inverse of x is equal to 4 over 3x plus 5 by 3. I hope it is quite obvious. Next question, a bit lengthy question. It was in P2. F of x is equal to 3 times x minus 2, g of x is equal to 7x over 4 minus 1, and there are 4 parts to this question. First, in the first part, we have to find g of 2. G of x is equal to 7x over 4 minus 1. G of 2 will be equal to 7 into 2 over 4 minus 1. So this was part 1, which was quite straightforward. Now we have to find G inverse of x. We have solved several questions regarding finding inverse. First step is we replace this by y. Second step is to solve this equation for x. I am rapidly solving it by performing some simple operations, and we find the value of x. 4 by 7y plus 4 by 7. So what will be next step? X will be replaced by f inverse of y, which will give us 4 by 7y plus 7, and in the last, at the end, we will replace, this was not x, this was g, this was not f, this was g. G inverse of x is equal to 4 by 7 x plus 4 by 7. This is inverse of g. Second part is complete. Read this part carefully. F of t is 6. Find t. What is f? F of x is equal to 3 times x minus 2. What will be f of t? F of t will be 3 times t minus 2, which is equal to, it is given, this is equal to 6. Put it equal to 6 and solve this to find value of t. So we have calculated the value of t. Last part of this question was f of 7x minus 4 over 1 is equal to px plus q. Find the values of p and q. F of 7x over 4 minus 1 is equal to px plus q. We have to find the value of p and q. F of x is equal to 3 times x minus 2. F of 7x over 4, f of 7x over 4 minus 1 is equal to px plus q, is equal to px plus q. What we have to do, we have to replace x by this 7 over 4x minus 1. What we will get? 3 times 7x over 4 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to px plus q. This will give us 7x over 4 minus 3 is equal to px plus q. We can directly, we made this step and directly simplify to this. Now we will compare the coefficients. What is the coefficient of x over here? 21 over 4. So p is equal to 21 over 4. And what is the constant term? It is plus q, here it is 9. So q is equal to minus 9. Sorry. There were in total around 24 questions in last 10 years exam papers. Out of those 24, I chose 6 of them, but these 6 questions cover each and every type of question. Many questions in past year exam are just like finding the inverse, finding the value. Few of them were a bit different, which I solved over here. I hope this will be very useful for you. This concludes our functions topic. This was all about functions as far as O levels and IGCSE is concerned. I carefully picked the questions out of past year exam questions which completely cover past year exam style questions for you. I hope this will be very beneficial for you. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel so that you get notified about the latest uploads of videos. Thank you.